Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today we are going to be making something festive. We're going to make something that has the flavors and colors of a Mardi Gras king cake, but it's much easier to make and you can serve this as an appetizer or a dessert. We're going to make a Mardi Gras cheese ball. So to get started, I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese and I am going to add 1/4 cup of butter to that, and then we are just going to beat this. We might have to put this in the microwave for a minute. I don't think that's going to beat. I'm going to put this in the microwave for just a second. Okay, let's see if this is better. Maybe. Whoa. Okay, once we've got our butter and our cream cheese creamed together, I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, but I'm just going to do it a little bit at a time so I don't go slinging it all over my kitchen. All right, once all the powdered sugar is incorporated, then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And then once our brown sugar is mixed in, we're going to add in just a couple of, well, I'm going to say 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, which I think is just about all that's in here. Oh, there might be a little more. So I'm going to mix this. Okay, so that is it for our ingredients. From here, I'm going to go ahead and get my beaters cleaned off. Give my hands a rinse. And then we're just going to transfer this onto a sheet of plastic wrap. We're just going to spoon it on here. And then we're going to pull up our sides and we are going to try to form this into a bit of a ball. So this is going to take some time to set up in the fridge, but for now we can just kind of pull up the sides and start to shape it like that. So after it's been in the fridge for an hour or so and it starts to kind of firm up, I'll even shape it a little bit more. But that's it for right now. So this is going to go in the fridge and I'll leave it in there for about an hour or so, and then I'll bring it back out. I'll show you guys what it looks like and where to go from there. Okay, so I'm just now pulling my cheese ball out of the fridge, and this is the first time I'm pulling it out, so it really could have sat longer to firm up, but for the sake of time, I went ahead and pulled it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this over, and I'm actually going to put it on the spatula to make it easy to transfer over there. If I put it over there and we decorate it, I'll have sugar all over everything. So I'm just going to move it right onto here. And that's pretty much the shape I wanted it. So I've got sanding sugar in yellow, purple, and green. And so I'm just going to do, the yellow on the side. And I might even put a little in my hand and kind of press it up against the side, just to give it more of a finished look. Let's see if I can turn this way a little bit. Maybe a little bit more, just so that all my stripes are even. Okay, or not even. My next color is going to be the purple. And let's see if I can get a little bit on the sides. Whoa, that's way too much. I'm going to see if I can turn this around just a little bit. Or not. Wants to stick to my knife there. Okay. Let's see if we can shake it down in there. There, that's good. I'm going to press it in there just a little bit. And then our last color is going to be green. So we'll put this in this hand. Uh-oh. Looks like some regular sugar came out, white sugar. Well, that's good. At least it wasn't blue or something to mess up my project here. I think that's good. I'm just going to kind of pat this into a ball a little more. And now that I've got the sugar on the plate, I think what I'm going to do, I can slide this off onto here, and I don't think it'll stick. It'll just get the sugar on the bottom of it. If I can get it to come off of there. There we go. I'm just going to wiggle my knife out. There we go. I was going to wash my hands, get this little bit of cheese off, but I'm afraid if I do and I come back, my hands might still be wet. Okay, so let's see which parts still need a little bit on the side. We need a little of green over here. Uh-oh. Need a little of green over here. Well, we're just about out of green, so hopefully this is enough. All right, now some purple. Good thing this is like the only project I'm using this for. Oh, I got blue coming out now. Okay, so a little more over here. Because I have so much purple and green over there, I'm going to use my other hand for the yellow. There we go. Looks like our yellow is bigger than the other side, but maybe once we get it all, maybe I can push it this way. Maybe I just put a little more purple over the top of that. It'll come out here. We'll just take our purple over a little bit further. That's what we'll do. There we go. And we could kind of mix these together and give it like a little bit of an ombre look so it's not so defined. But I don't think that's going to work either. I'm just going to stick to what I had here. I'm going to go back and put a little more purple on here. That's a lot of sugar. Okay. I think that looks good. So, let's see. Let me grab a different spatula. See if we can get it off of here now that it has a little bit of sugar on it. And I'm going to put it right in the middle of my serving platter. Look how pretty that is. So I just put vanilla wafers on here. Put vanilla wafers on here, but you could do graham crackers. You could even do pretzels. Ooh, chocolate covered pretzels. You could do that. That would be good. Yeah, anything you like. I think that turned out really, really pretty. I feel like I need some Mardi Gras decorations in here. So I'm actually not going to eat this because I don't want to mess up my presentation for my photograph or for when I serve it later. But I can tell you it's really creamy and it is really sweet. So if you liked this video and you love cream cheese, you won't want to miss my other two videos. One is for a cream cheese. Let's see, it's a strawberry pirouette. I think that's how you say it. Cheesecake. And the other one is for cream cheese wontons, or crab rangoon in other words. So where we get it from, it is extra sweet, and that's the way I like it. And so that is the recipe that I have. But check one of those out. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.